today we are doing Alicia's wheel bearings. And when I say we, I say Mitch does all the work just to help it for when Max shows up and shows us how to do it, you know? He's kind of had an attitude, kind of grouchy. Yeah, he needs to cut that out. Here's my proof to show you that he has an attitude. I'll play Mac now. I don't have an attitude with either of you. I asked for a blank plan. That was all. And to still never get one, so I'm just coming there to do it. That's it, it's over. Me, you have an attitude. I don't like it. Sorry, Matt, guess what? There's never a plan. And I've been dealing with that for years. So get over it. Oh, and by the way, stop being a little... It's a bad look. Your blank butt better be ready to stand in the rain with me. Or better yet, pull it in. B word. All right, this is how to replace your wheel bearing.
Oh, that's right.
Look at his just bitch face. You showed up, the tire's off, the spacer's off.
It's perfect. We need a pry bar though.
Where am I?
Bolts were you taking off?
Pull the hole.
Oh, I don't normally do that.
Oh,
Told you. I told
well,
you.
he pulls the caliper off, but he pulls it off a different way than I do.
I hate bolts like this.
Why?
I don't know.
I pull the whole caliper also.
That's what I do.
Whenever I'm doing wheel bearings. All the time.
Hammer it.
This is what happens when you do a battery change and Mac's working. You end up here.
Yep. Well, we found the socket. I think that's where it died. And then pulled the axle nut off, pulled the caliper off. And now we'll be golden.
It's Timmy in there.
Yeah, it's alright.
We don't worry about Timmy. He just lives
Timmy
in
can
there.
calm down.
There's a matte glare.
Wheel bearing bolts.
Which are located
Right on the back side of the knuckle.
there. Down here.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Ain't no big thing. It's not one thing, it's another thing that just decides it doesn't want to be attached anymore. How'd that work out for you?
There's your Allen key. And you want the wrench for it too?
Yeah. Thank you.
Are these axles, or do these axles have an inner C clip? Or no? Do JK axles have inner C's? I'll hold the shaft in.
No. Nothing holds the shaft in besides the wheel bearing.
Oh yeah. On a JK, right? Because don't
Most-
like TJs have.
The only thing that has a C clip is a rear axle.
Hmm.
Can you grab me a couple of a rag?
This one?
And don't forget there is a nut there for the center.
That's I guess. Breaker bar is the new hammer.
I'm pretty sure I have a mallet somewhere.
You wanna find it?
You get it and then he doesn't need it anymore.
You just gotta get it faster.
That's it?
Yes.
That one replaced that one.
That one replaced that one.
But you can rebuild these,
No.
correct? You
No.
can't?
So you buy this as it's a unit bearing. So yeah, technically you could probably find the bearings and everything that go in it and press them in and out. I mean, they rebuild them, the manufacturer does, but it's not worth the hassle. Cheaper, yes. Worth the hassle, no. This is just way faster than having to put in bearings, grease them, preload them.
See, that's what I had in my mind.
Yeah.
Like on a trailer or something.
Yeah, so that's how old school axles work.
We'll wait while Mac cleans his gloves. His disposable gloves off. And it's hard times.
Yeah.
Inflation's rough. We gotta do hacks so we can tighten stuff because we can't afford anything anymore. We gotta wipe our disposable gloves off. Throw them in the wash machine. They'll melt in the dryer, so we gotta hang them.
You're not supposed to give away our secrets. That's how
wear
we're able
those.
to afford parts.
Wearing rags for underwear.
Yep. That's not normal?
I'm gonna start charging Mac my overtime. I'm not gonna charge Mac shit because Mac helps me a lot.
We're gonna start charging you for you to be our friends.
Yeah.
Sick. What are we talking like? 100K per minute?
No, you have to pick up dog poop in the backyard.
That's just to be Mitchell's friend, not mine.
That includes Matt.
Yeah. Rest is you. Did you find the torque wrench? Okay.
No, it's your guys' tools.
Your guys's, don't say your guys's.
All my tools are missing.
Yeah.
It's your guys' tools.
Not your guys's.
Well, it's Alicia's
It's whose?
tools.
It's whose tools?
Alicia's, and they're always in the floor.
How did you get dirt all over your face? You took off two things. Your whole nose is black, and then you got a black mark across your forehead.
If you don't play the part, it doesn't count.
I 100% agree. Put the wheel spacer on first.
Alright guys, welcome. This is Mitch's YouTube. This is how you put on a wheel spacer. Garage Talk with Mitch.
Garage Talk with Mitch, I like it.
My name's Donnie Baker and I'm here to tell you how to put on a wheel spacer.
Not like that.
You started doing it wrong. Let me see if there's
You're the closest. Wait.
Damien,
Wait. Who?
what do you have to torque these to?
100 foot-pounds.
100 foot-pounds. Are you sure? Because I'm gonna Google it.
100. I torque mine to
If
80.
not, the internet's gonna.
I
eat you
torque
up
mine to 80,
anyways.
but Daddy Mac over here decides what they go to.
100 foot-pounds. Oh, we gotta fix that. Hold on. Mitchell put it on a freaking ratchet. Don't do that. You're gonna be here for freaking ever.
Oh, Mitchell, there with the ratchets.
Where's the flood? Where's the flood?
It's here now. Do you see outside?
Like a little duck.
You gonna make this weird or fun?
Oh, food's done. Look at the camera saying that's how you fix a wheel bearing.
That's how you fix a wheel bearing.